Okay, so if your channel is not getting any views and you want views, watch this video. So first thing you want to do is you want to download Chrome WebDriver, but you need to download it for your version, and the link to the download will be in the description. And I'll also put in the description how to see what version of Google you have. Okay, so sorry if it stutters a bit and all of that stuff, my mic. I'm trying to fix it, but I can't really. So sorry if it stutters. Okay, so first we want to install Selenium. So when we want to go to our terminal and local, I just have to let it, and then we'll write pip install Selenium. Yeah. Wait, I spelled it wrong, sorry. Selenium. Now I already have it installed, but Selenium is something that will be useful. Okay. So then we'll wait. Let's minimize the terminal. So then we'll write from Selenium imports webdriver. Okay. Then we want to write from time imports sleep. Now we are gonna have a sleep function because otherwise YouTube thinks obviously we're getting these for ourselves, like we're making us get the views. So we need to make YouTube believe that there's some time it takes for the views to come. Okay, so now we want to write driver1 equals, then we want to write webdriver.Chrome, and here you want to write the path. No, sorry, my bad. Executable underscore path, and then in these you want to write where, so maybe it is slash users and then your name and then that. So let's just write where your WebDriver install is. So you that, and then you can copy this. We're gonna make 3 drivers, so we have 3 Chromes open at the same time, and we want to do these from 1 to 2, 3. Okay, so now we want to go to line 8, and we want to write driver1 dot get and bracket and citation marks, and in here we want to paste the YouTube video link, so the link of the video that we're going to be getting views on. So let's just YouTube video, and it's https://YouTube. Yeah, you know. Okay, now we're going to copy this, so we need this for all 3 drivers. Oh, sorry. We need this for all 3 drivers, so this will become 3, and this is driver 2. Okay, so now we want to add the sleep part. So while it's running, then we're like sleep, and 60 seconds. So it matters how long your video is and how long you want the duration from your video to the video play again. Okay, so now we have that, so let's just change it to 120, I guess. Now we can go to line 14, and then we want to write driver1 dot refresh, and then brackets. So this is how I drive it to refresh. Let's give this to all our, let's give this to all our drivers. So it's going to tell us to refresh the video or tab that we are getting views on. So now I just want to simply run it, and it will start opening Chrome tab, and your video will get views. Now be careful with this and make sure you put this time a bit high, because YouTube will probably find out something fishy is happening. So if you want it to stop, you can simply just make it unrun. Thank you so much for watching. hope you don't get banned by YouTube and hope you get many views because your channel is amazing.